Download and install WhatsApp desktop web app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And you can download and install WhatsApp web app through Microsoft Store. To do so, launch any your preferred browser and type download WhatsApp web for PC. Look for and click on first result, download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC. And you will find download WhatsApp app for Windows, desktop Windows, Android and mobile iOS from App Store. So first option, choose desktop Windows, get it from Microsoft, open Microsoft Store. You can also direct open Microsoft Store and look for WhatsApp. You can also find this option, click on get and let the window complete the downloading procedure. It will take some times. Starting downloading. Total 86.27 MB space it will cover. Finally open it. Welcome to WhatsApp, a simple, reliable and private way to use WhatsApp on your computer. Click on get started. And to set up WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone first. Go to settings by tapping on your profile photo menu or 3 vertical dot. Tap link devices and then link a device. Point your phone to this screen to capture the QR code. Capture this QR code through your mobile phone and your WhatsApp web will direct it and copy it from your Android phone. And your WhatsApp desktop app successfully downloaded.